100% of our staff is local people, and over the years they've got the knowledge to run this place really easily, and they transform that knowledge into real experiences to our visitors, which is a perfect fit with this beautiful fauna and flora, the nature that we have here. It's just amazing. Every single day you realize that you have tons of colors and tons of animals. With every single sunrise, at some point of the day, with the low tide, you're able to walk along the beach or take a run along the beach, which is really, really amazing. You really get to see the sense of life that we have in here. We also have beautiful facilities, like for example, the amazing pool that we have behind me. And also we have a beautiful yoga deck, yoga space. We have created a perfect symbiosis of yoga practices and nature experiences, which is a really beautiful combination. And we have an open gym for you to work out in case you have some time to do so. Here we are. We invite you to come to Blue Osa. We are here with arms wide open, waiting for you to visit us.